Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to speed up your design process in Figma and keep your projects organized and efficient, then today's tutorial is right up your alley. I'm going to show you exactly how to add assets in Figma, specifically how to turn a design element like a button into a reusable component. By the end of this video, you'll know how to save time, maintain consistency in your designs, and make updates across your project with just a few clicks. So let's jump right in. First up, let's take a look at the button I've already created here on the canvas. If you're following along, make sure you have a design element you'd like to turn into an asset. It doesn't have to be a button. It could be an icon, a card, or any part of your design that you find yourself using over and over again. The goal here is to create a component, which is basically a master template. Any copy of this component, called an instance, will update automatically if you change the master. Trust me, this can be a lifesaver on big projects where consistency is key. To get started, simply select the button you want to turn into a component. Just click on it and make sure you see those blue outlines which tell you it's active. Now, with the button selected, go ahead and right-click. In the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Create Component. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, and who isn't once you get the hang of them, you can also press Ctrl plus Alt plus K. That's Command plus Option plus K if you're working on a Mac. It's a quick little combination, but it saves a lot of time in the long run. When you create the component, you'll notice a little change right away. Figma adds a purple outline to your button just to let you know it's now a component. But more importantly, if you look over at the Assets panel, usually found in the left sidebar, you'll see your new button has been added there automatically. Think of the Assets panel as your toolbox. It's where all your reusable components live. You can now drag out as many copies of this button as you need onto any page in your project. Here's the real magic. Whenever you have multiple instances of this component, maybe on different pages or inside different frames, if you ever need to tweak your button, like changing its color or updating the text style, you just update the main component. Every single instance will update to match. Gone are the days of hunting through your project to find every version of a button and making the same change over and over. It's a massive time saver and helps prevent little mistakes from creeping in. And that's honestly all there is to it. Adding assets by turning elements into components in Figma is one of the most powerful ways to work smarter, not harder. Don't stress if you don't see the asset right away. Sometimes you might have to expand the Assets panel or search by name if you have a lot of components. With a bit of practice, you'll get fast at building your own design library, and your future self will definitely thank you. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or you want to see more Figma tips like these. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.